In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags to either tag a person or a page to draw attention to either yourself or your page. So when you are creating a post, so let's just put something there. You can tag a person by typing the @ symbol, start typing their name until it comes up, and you click on it. Now you see it is bolded. Now that means when you post it, it is going to be a link to the name that you have tagged there. If you want to tag a company page on LinkedIn, do the same thing. Go at and start typing in the name of the company until it comes up. Again, select it. You'll see it is bold once again. Once you post this, that becomes a link, and anybody reading it, clicks on it, will go straight to your company page. If they click on your name, it goes straight to your profile. You can put the name of other people you have on LinkedIn for whatever reason, if you're thanking them for something, if you're recommending them, whatever it is, but using tags is an effective strategy to attract attention on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.